Patigas na ng Baguio. Lumigas na eh.
Ito may gas konti.
Parang 1 plus na yung book mo ito eh.
2,000 yata. 2,200.
So, it's our last day here. Last day of the trip. We're going home. Thank you, City Lights Hotel. Going forward. Thank you, City Lights Hotel. We are on our way home. Sure ka dyan? Goodbye, Baguio. We are now headed to the Lion's Head for our last stop here in Baguio. We're headed home. I really miss my wife, my daughter, and my son. It's time to hug them when I go home. So we chose this road, the Cannon Road, on our way home rather than the Marcos route, since we are going to have our pictures taken at the Lion's Head. So we chose this road. It would have been nice to take the Marcos route, but that's longer. If only the Marcos head was still there, President Marcos's head. But unfortunately, it has been bombed by some extremists who hates him. So there's no more a statue of his head on the mountains. So let's just take this Cannon Road. Just enjoy the twisties, the mountains. Oh, look at that magnificent view here in Cannon Road. So this is our last stop here, the Lion's Head, and we're going down to Baguio. Goodbye, Baguio. Boss, baka pwede kami makalabas muna.
Lalabas tayo.
Opo. Di rin po kami magtatagal. Mahaba pa po kami, Cavite pa po. Cavite pa po kasi kami.
Cavite pa?
Oo.
Ay, mababa na po kayo?
Opo. We have just left the Lion's Head. And it's a bit crowded since it's already late. It is expected of the place to be crowded due to its being iconic here in Baguio. If it's your first time in Baguio, you should have a picture of at least the Lion's Head as a proof that you've been in Baguio. And that's it. So we are here at the Benguet Toll. This is where you pay your toll fee when you're going up to Baguio. This is the Cannon Road Toll. if you're exiting Baguio, there's no need to pay it. This is your rider speaking. We are now at the bottom of Baguio City, and we are almost out of fuel. We have just finished the descent from Baguio City, and it's already 9:59 a.m. We are also running low on fuel. May there be another gasoline station so that we can fill up before we head for our final approach to Cavite. Full tank, boss? XCS? We are here at Petron. We're going to fill our tanks. Full tank. This is how our bike looks like after 2 days of mountain riding. It's due to the rainy weather. Okay na yan. So that's 406.98 pesos. Sa, kunin ko na lang. Tabi ko lang yung motor. That's 406 pesos, 7.6 liters. Time check, it's 10:12. We have just finished filling our tanks at the Tron. No, this is from the foothills of Baguio to Cavite. On your way to Baguio, if you ever saw this arc, that means you're almost at the foothills of Baguio City. This is your rider speaking. Time check, it's 10:37 in the morning, and we are approaching the city of Urdaneta. So far there has been no traffic. It's like we're driving on the expressway. Here we are, Urdaneta City. This is one of the busiest city here. This is the crossing of Urdaneta going to Dagupan. Dagupan is the place known for its milkfish. You can visit them by turning on this corner to Dagupan. Please to check out. They have one of the tastiest milkfish in the Philippines. So if you say milkfish, Dagupan will always pop up.
Patigas na ng Baguio. Tumigas na eh.
Tumigas ko. Parating sa Bulga na ito.
Tugles naman boss niya. Ano.
Ano?
Pang bisikleta na bomba. Ang baon.
Dok, anong problema nung motor ko, Dok?
Flat tayo, Dok. Flat. Hindi na mag-repair, Dok. Wasak na wasak, Dok.
Dok, ba't sinisira mo lalo?
Ayun, Dok. Dahil kasi natin siya palakihin ng butas.
Uno, dos, tres. Ba't tinitwist? Para shumot.
So guys, nabutas gulong ko. Buti na lang. Pinahiram tayo ng tropa ni Ace. Na-repair na yung gulong. Tinutulungan na lang ako ni Utol bumomba. Napagod ako kakatusok. Ang hirap pala tusukin ng gulong. Alright Ace, thank you so much. Dala-dala ko yung culprit. Oh, check out na lang mamaya. Kailangan namin makauwi ng maaga pa. Hirap pabuti ng dilim sa kalye. B40 40 yata ito or 40 pesos 7 dito.